ensure a collision with this man, Brock Lesnar. In
that man, he's incredible.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Heyman, disputed Universal Champion, Brock Lesnar. You will never get the coquina clutch on Brock Lesnar.
and he's marching to the ring.
Samoa Joe is daring to walk out here face to face with Brock Lesnar.
And Samoa Joe did not back down. And he went right out.
Both of these competitors looking to destroy one another.
And Lesnar taking out the security. And now it's back to Joe and Brock again.
Enforcements. These two monsters going at it. We might need the army.
You try to separate the champion and the challenger. And Joe with a kick right to the face of the
Samoa Joe.
And Lesnar's coming out. And I think that just fired him up, guys. And Brock's coming right after Joe. Finally, some separation. On Samoa Joe. Oh my God, from behind. Joe trying to wrestle him down, and he does. He's got Lesnar down to one knee. The Beast in trouble. Joe back into the screen here. But Joe once again trying to lock it back in.
A third time, Samoa Joe has cinched in the coquina clutch on the Universal Champion. Carnage is fading fast.
Look at Lesnar's face. Joe's got it locked in.
Definitely got it.
Brock having problems breathing, and finally,
The Revival, members of the WWE locker room. The Universal Champion was seconds, if that, away.
are you guys ready for this? Square Garden, he called it the biggest moment of his career, well, before tonight.
Come to culminate tonight in Dallas.
It is always a spec kickoff show that, yeah, Joe will take a piece of Brock Lesnar.
The Universal Championship, Samoa Joe.
My name is Paul Heyman, the reigning, defending Brock.
Oh, look at Joe from behind.
Hasn't even run yet.
The matchup's not underway, but Joe sending a statement.
Look out.
Lesnar running up to the announce table. Brock Lesnar has no idea what hit him.
Oh, the match forever. Look at the power of Joe.
I'll tell you something, Paul Heyman should do something about this. I don't even think Brock should compete.
But Samoa Joe may have says, I'm ready to go. And Joe with an elbow in the corner. And Brock knew what was going on here when he said he was ready to start this match. But Joe is stalking the champion.
Muay Thai knees.
Joe back to the center of the ring.
These are two world-class.
Wrestling the champion.
Joe's defending, guys, and defending very, very well. And here,
with knees. Joe is looking for the coquina clutch. Lesnar trying to stay
Universal Champion.
And look at Brock.
Brock, all he needs to do is just grab the rope, but he don't.
Now Brock back.
Oh, no.
Suplex City.
Suplexes is what Lesnar does. Joe is busy. Suplex.
But Lesnar seems to be regaining his wits.
Joe's a big guy. Brock Lesnar's, he's delivering those suplexes, but he's carrying a lot. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, and a low blow. Joe, cover on the champion. Hooks the leg. Is it enough for the kick? Time again for the coquina clutch on the champion. The may have it. Brock Lesnar now.
Look at Lesnar's face.
On one knee, Brock realizes it's locked in good. He's beginning to turn purple.
It was foolish for Lesnar to start the match to begin with.
Loves to fight, and that's one way to break the coquina clutch.
I can't remember the last time I saw.
But Lesnar now misses shoulder first to the post. The quickest into a German. Getting to feel it.
Here comes
Another
the beast,
suplex.
guys.
Still not convinced Lesnar's human.
Oh, there's no way. Samoa Joe, he's got him up top. No. Samoa Joe looking at the coquina clutch.
Still, Joe's not in a good position to fall to his back.
Wrapping the legs around the waist of Brock Lesnar, but he's got to get him out of the corner. Brock to the center of the ring, and Brock down to one knee, and this could be Joe's opportunity.
From going to sleep.
This could be Samoa Joe's chance. Look at Lesnar. Lesnar beat Red. Oh. What? An F5! Champion!
Wow!
And he retains the title!
Champion, Brock Lesnar.
Incarnate can be one F5 delivered to the challenger. Wow. Some way.
The face of a survivor. Still your Universal Champion, the Beast, Brock Lesnar. Raw Talk is next only on the WWE Network.
Braun Strowman.
Introducing first weighing in at 385 pounds, Braun pounds, Roman Reigns.
The man who, well, took out The Undertaker.
Finn Balor, Roman Reigns was feeling real comfortable.
It comes down to this tonight.
This has been one of the most capacity crowd here came for this very match.
And here we go. Roman looking to use his quickness. Oh, fat right. Anything goes here in Dallas.
And Roman Reigns put his fist in.
And here's Roman into the corner. Braun Strowman follows it up with speed.
Wow!
Oh, what a clubbing. Start doing something fast, and that could help him.
Might be the only one in his own abilities. I'm talking about reality.
Bang, first.
I'm talking about reality.
Bang, first into the.
All of Dallas, Texas.
And now into the steps.
Our experience.
Strowman drives them right into Reigns, and Roman flattened.
There's with one hand.
And now force into the steps and good.
Potated Roman.
And now Strowman into the post. Roman section, kick right to the jaw. Roman Reigns doing everything he...
Oh, look at this. Once again, right out of midair.
Oh, and just slamming. Looking for the running power slam. Reigns able to land at his feet. That'll stop him. And now Braun Strowman with the power.
It is with that walk right there.
Reigns, though, lands at his feet, back to the ring, and wise move by Reigns to his feet. Strowman, Samoa drop.
He did, but the thing is, guys, Roman is making Braun use every that Samoan drop.
Roman Reigns, drive by to the surgically repaired elbow. You're due to be out 6 months, and you come back in 6 weeks.
You're right, it's all legal.
And look at the elbow.
And it all hurts, Mike.
And again, from the chair, he didn't even flinch. And again.
Shock right there, Cole.
Oh, and again. And this time strong.
Tell you something, when you give a guy your best shot and he just
times.
Oh, look at this. Strowman.
Right
Oh, no, look out.
And now driving Roman Reigns again off the fight.
For Roman there for a minute.
Here we go. Oh, no.
And Roman Reigns. And Strowman trying to shove him into the ambulance. Reigns is hanging on.
Possible, no. Not yet. Roman's massive frame inside the back of the ambulance and backboard.
Oh, spine.
Braun Strowman knows exactly where Roman Reigns is.
Oh, what's this heaving?
Oh, no.
Oh, my goodness. Now with Roman Reigns are driving Strowman right through the screen.
Real.
Yeah, but he's favoring that elbow.
Reigns just used the light.
Favoring that left elbow.
Reigns the ambulance.
Roman Reigns and may very well soon own the entire.
Roman's not done yet. There's a spare.
Ambulance doors are what injured Strowman to begin with. Reigns a relentless attack.
Taking out that frustration on Strowman. Now it's Strowman in the end.
Reigns' Samoan blood's got to be boiling right now, understandably.
Reigns is driving the ambulance out of the American Airlines Center. No!
No, he's not going to do it.
No!
Come on. I'll make you call. Braun! Braun! Come on. Let him help you. Calm down.
first and foremost, it's an absolute miracle. The pact. There is a